Hi guys, welcome back. We are having another freezing cold day here in Melbourne at the end of spring. It's only 10.5 Celsius 10.5, and it's 12 noon. It's not early morning, it's the middle of the day. So check it out, for real, 50 Fahrenheit. And even so, even though it's only 10 Celsius in late spring, only 2 weeks away from summer, guys, we're getting some amazing results here. Check it out. Not only are the avocados coming out with brand new leaves, glossy, right? Beautiful. Tropical flora, right? But there's a but. We're also getting the first fruitlets. Yep, this is the Wurtz variety avocado, and it's waking up. It's coming with a lot of fruitlets, hundreds. They're very, very small. They just appeared like in the last day or two. So they're tiny, and I need my glasses actually to see them, or at least the zoom on the camera. Very small. There you go. So over the next week or two, they're gonna get bigger, and you'll be able to see them a lot better. Yeah. But that's great news, considering we're having Arctic weather, guys. This is Arctic weather. Not cold, it's Arctic, right? This is what you expect in the north of Scotland or in the south of Tasmania. I checked the weather around Australia, and it's like in the 30s everywhere. 30 in Brisbane, 30 in Cairns, 30 in Darwin, 30 everywhere. 30, 30, 30, 30. And down here in the south, in Victoria, it's 10. Currently 30 everywhere in Australia, except where I am. So the whole tree here is loaded with fruitlets, the Wurtz. And behind me here, the Hass avocado, likewise. Let's go and check out the Hass. Yeah, I just noticed this morning when I was doing my little morning round. Every day, guys, I do the rounds. Here you go. These are tiny too. And they've also got the new flush of leaves, right? You would not know that it's 10 Celsius unless I told you. I could easily lie to you and say, hey, guess what? It's currently 30 degrees here, and we're gonna lay out and get a suntan. Well, you can see the suntan on my face, so I could easily fool you. But this suntan is from the Gold Coast, guys, when I went up there a couple of weeks ago. All right, so there's the fruit coming for next season, and here are the fruitlets. Hang on. Gee, they're small. How am I going to show you this? Yeah, there's two of them right here. These two guys, or three. Wow, 3 on one stem. Look at that. The Hass. There's hundreds everywhere. Hang on, there you are. There's 2 more there. It'll be a lot easier next week. A lot easier next week to show you to show you easier, much better. And there's the fruit again. that came last summer. So yeah, they're really tiny. I haven't even got my glasses. There's another one there, and there's another one right there, and there, and there, and there, and there. But they're tiny, right? So that's the great news in this miserable, absolutely miserable cold weather. Just an update, guys. So it's okay. It's okay. Actually, it's not okay, but yeah, thankfully we have heating in the house and it's roaring. I turned the furnace off 2 weeks ago. October is the end of the heating season in Melbourne. I had to fire it up again, which was very unusual. We don't run the heating in the house in November, but we have to this year. This year is the exception, right? Yeah, there's a lot of fruit coming for next season. These are going to be picked in autumn and winter 2023, the ones hanging up there. All right, guys, that was the latest find or update from the avocados in late spring at Fruitopia. Still waiting for the Fuerte to show signs of fruit. Not yet. I'll post an update on that when it comes. This is the Fuerte here. There's no sign of fruitlets. Not yet, unless I haven't seen them yet. It's very hard to get up there and look, and all the way up there. There might be, but not here in the close vicinity. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I sure love sharing these videos with you, especially with you here in Melbourne, if you're in Melbourne or in Victoria or in any other southern part of the country, like South Australia, Tasmania, southern New South Wales and New Zealand. All right, guys, please like if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and we'll catch ya from the next one. Yeah, it looks like a lot of the flowers have fallen off and there's been no fruitlets formed on the Fuerte. Too bad I lost the lamb house. That would have been loaded too now. All right, guys, over and out. Ooh, we're getting a new banana rack or blossom coming up there. Look at that. Even with all this cold, guys, look what's pushing forward. Wow, beautiful. Brrr.